So guys, Craig, Fergie, JKU. Today I am going to install these rock lights by MicTuning. They're a 12-pod system. I currently have a 12-pod system, but to be honest, I'm not very happy with them. Not very bright. Can't get them all to work the same color. So I'm really hopeful that these are gonna really work for my needs. And I don't do anything crazy with them. I just like to leave them all basic color just for night wheeling and stuff like that. Let's check it out. First we'll unbox it and then we'll install it and then we'll see how it does. I'll do some videos. So first off, I bought the extenders with the JKU kind of far in the back. I'm not sure how far I'll need to go, but what I like so far, just by what I'm looking at, are the connectors. The rock lights I currently have are the screw-in ones with the circle, and these look a lot better. So it's got an app. Ooh, these are nice. These look pretty bright too. I like the way these are set up. These are gonna be cool. Very nice. Got all the connectors. Alright guys, I just removed all my old rock lights. Took me a little bit longer than I thought, just because I had them really tucked away, a lot of zip ties, stuff like that. But I wanted to show you before I put these new ones on, the difference in the two. The old rock lights, you know, they worked okay for me. Like I said, they weren't the brightest, but look at these new ones. Look at the difference. I'm pretty pumped. I'm expecting these to be pretty bright, and I also like how you can daisy chain these together so you don't have as much cables. I'll show you my old cables at the end, but the new one's a lot simpler. I'm excited. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm starting to daisy chain these together. What I like about it is it's not a lot of wires. I put the control box in the front of the dash. I'm gonna have two lights in the front, and then I'm gonna go down each side. I originally wanted some in the cab. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. Alright guys, I got them all set up. I'm gonna do two in the front, one in there, two here, another wheel well, and then one in the back. The way they kind of daisy chained up, it's pretty cool. I didn't think I'd like it at first just because I couldn't really control it. I did get a couple of extenders, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the extenders and actually come inside with it, so I can do a couple inside. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I'm just gonna tighten it all down and I should be good. So alright guys, now I just need to connect the control box to my power. Like I said, I already have a Voss switch, so I'm just gonna connect to that. These are awesome to get. I'll put a link on Amazon. Use a heat gun, boom. These things are great too. That's it. Now I'm gonna go turn on the switch and hopefully we see some magic. Alright guys, so I figured out the app, and I think it was operator error. When you first install the app and when you first open it, it's going to ask you, how do you want to connect, your permissions, do you want to allow Bluetooth to pair? And I guess I must have just did it too quick and said no. So this is the app right here, the MicTuning app, and you can just turn it on and you're going to see it's not actually connected right now because I have to turn the lights on. So let me do that. So now my lights are on, and you see this little thing up here turn purple. So now it's on. And so you click on it and then it'll bring up this. And then from here you can see you can change colors. You can put it on music mode. If I want to go white, The bottom is if it's going to be constant or not, and then this is the brightness, and it's pretty bright. So if this is all the way up, it's constant, and then the top is the brightness. So that is just the rock lights, and you can see it's really bright. It's pretty cool. It's like a rocket ship. But you can change different modes, and then you can add your own modes to it as well. And then if I go to mode here, see constant mode, custom mode, length, colorful watering backwards. It's pretty rad, huh? So yeah, so that's the rock lights. MicTuning, check them out. I'll throw a link with a discount code in the description, and definitely bigger than my other 2 sets of rock lights that I had, and I'm happy with them. So like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Thanks, guys.